I needed that sent out yesterday, not today.
Hi, I'm calling to talk to you about your overdue credit card bill.
I'm sorry, sweetie. Daddy has to work late again tonight. We'll play tomorrow night, I promise.
Your account balance is $375.17.
Wishful thinking is great, but it's a myth.
The reality is, things are not going to be all right unless we make a change. But how? Let's look at the options.
Option number 1. The stock market is someplace where you can make a killing or be killed.
While millionaires are made every day, just as many lose their shirts. And remember the cardinal rule of the stock market.
Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Option number 2. Go back to school.
Millions of North Americans choose higher education as a means to improve their lives every year. However, it doesn't come cheap, nor does it guarantee a job upon graduation.
The reality is, most people are already too busy to go back to school. Option number 3. Work more hours.
Great idea, but does it really work?
If you worked 80 hours on your job next week, would your boss double your pay?
And at what cost? More hours away from your family, your friends, your dreams. And option number 4, open your own business.
Statistics show that 96% of adults between the ages of 25 and 44 are looking to own their own business.
It's the new American dream, to be your own boss, to set your own hours, to do what you want to do. When most people think of owning their own business, they often think one word, franchise.
But unfortunately, with franchise fees ranging from $20,000 to $1 million, the average franchise is not for the average person.
And of course you'll need employees.
And insurance.
And suddenly you're working 6 or 7 days a week. And remember, the franchisor earns upfront fees and gets paid royalties based on gross revenue, not profit. The franchisor makes money whether you do or not.
Another choice is to become a freelancer or independent contractor. The freedom to take the jobs you want when you want.
But the burden of marketing, negotiating, and collecting all ends up on you.
But what if there was a way to combine the proven success of a franchise with the freedom of an independent contractor
without high overhead, capital investment, or employees?
A system which is currently being used by such companies as
Citigroup, Online Pioneer Prodigy, GTE, Mattel, computer icon IBM, telecommunications giants Sprint and MCI, e-commerce phenomenons like Amazon.com, Real.com, and CDNow.com.
What do these companies know about business trends that you may not? It's simple.
It's called a personal franchise.
Some people call it networking.
Some people call it affiliate marketing.
Call it whatever you want.
It's already a $23 billion a year business.
It's the business of word of mouth.
Small and large companies alike have realized that the single most cost-effective way of bringing products to market is through word of mouth.
And now they're willing to pay you for it.
And that's where you come in. As a personal franchise owner, you can market the products and services of existing companies through word of mouth and get paid the commission. Instead of spending millions on advertising, these companies earmark those millions to pay their personal franchise owners, people just like you.
More than 9.7 million people in the U.S. alone are already acting as independent distributors, generating over $23 billion in revenue every year.
Generated by stay-at-home moms, college students, retirees, and serious business people.
All without the headaches of traditional business ownership. And it's something you can do in your spare time, at home.
In fact, the majority of people in this industry do just that. Work it around their existing jobs, around their kids. And yet they still qualify for the incredible tax advantages of owning their own home-based business. Thousands have made it their full-time career. This industry pays for productivity.
The more you put in,
the more you get out. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. Because as a personal franchise owner, you are allowed to find others like yourself, people who want their own businesses, and get paid on their sales.
Only one thing matters.
Your decision to make a change.
Remember, less than 1% of Americans will retire financially free, and a staggering 95% will retire below the poverty level.
Don't buy the myth. The person who sent you this program has seen a company that they believe in. They've shared this with you for one reason. They value your opinion.
If IBM sees it, if Citibank sees it, if Amazon.com sees it,
Don't you think it's worth a look?